Welcome to this video tutorial on how to connect the EKM integration. To connect your EKM integration, go to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click Settings, then Integrations. Once this page loads, scroll down to the EKM integration and click Add. This page shows you the steps you need to take to connect your EKM integration. Firstly, enter the name you would like for your EKM integration. Then make sure you are logged into your EKM account on another browser. Select the correct currency and click Install App. Then a pop-up will appear from EKM, asking if you would like to connect your OnePatch account to your EKM account. Just click Allow. Once you have done this, your EKM integration will successfully connect. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.